In this video, we are going to explore the platform offered by Python, this idle shell. Before we do that, let's understand the various platforms using which we can write codes in Python language. For that, let's go to the web browser and go to the Google, and in the search box, type the list of various softwares that we can use to write code in Python. Now here you can see that all these softwares are available to work on Python. And there is one more software which is called Replit. This is a browser-based application that we can use to code in various languages. If you scroll it down, here at the bottom, you can see these many languages it is offering to work upon. And we have to work on Python, so we can choose this one. Once you do that, so we will be directed to this page, and here on the left hand side, I want you to follow my mouse pointer. Here we are going to write down the code, and once you click on this run button, which is in green color in the center, so the output will be directed on the right hand side. So here it is written print hello world. If I click on this run button, so here on the right hand side you can see the output, the message is displayed. So as per the convenience, we can use any of the software that we would wish to work upon. In this particular series, we are going to work upon this idle shell offered by Python. And here, before we begin the session, I want you to know that there are two ways that we can write the code in Python. One is called command line, as you can see on the screen. So this is basically called shell, or multiple names are there. So this can be called as shell coding. This can be called as command line, and this can be called as interactive coding. So basically you give instructions like this, like I have given 2 plus 3, press enter and you will get the output here as 5. And again here you can see we have to give another set of instruction and it will execute accordingly. So basically it is executing the instructions one by one. So it is basically using the interpreter. And another way of working is click on the file button, and from the menu take the first option, new file. Once you do that, you have this window, and this way of working is called script mode. So I'll just write down the names of both the ways. One is called the shell mode, or you can call it as interactive mode. And this way of writing is called script mode. So you need to remember these two names. Now here is an example of working in the script mode. So here you can see we have written a program, basically multiple statements, multiple instructions, and this entire code is going to work in one go all together. So what we have to do is we have to click on the run button here and take the first option, run module. Once you click on this, the output will be displayed like this on the shell itself. So the basic difference is in the shell mode, or you can say command line mode, it will be executing line by line, like one instruction at a time. However, on this script mode, it is going to take all the instructions together and it is going to run them together as a one unit. In the upcoming videos, we will be writing more codes. We will be starting from the very basic and gradually moving forward. So till then, stay connected, keep learning.